Coastal Hire presents your DIY Tip of the Week. Looking to tile a small area? We've got you waxed. You will need tile cement or adhesive, tile grout, tiles, of course, tile spacers, a notched trowel, a builder's trowel, a clean cloth or sponge, a pencil, some gloves, safety goggles, a level, 2 buckets, one to mix adhesive and one to clean grout. Then, of course, you'll also need a tile cutter and a measuring tape. Tile cutters are available at your nearest Coastal Hire store. First, calculate the square meters of the area in order to determine the amount of tiles and grout required. You may need to cut the tiles to fill the entire space with precision. Then, prepare the tiling area and ensure it's clean and dry. Apply tile cement or adhesive to the surface area. Apply tile cement to the back of the tile. Press the prepared tile onto the surface area. Start in the center at the top and work outwards towards the sides. Make 100% sure each tile is level. Insert tile spacers on the 4 corners of the tile. Simply repeat until the surface area is covered. Now leave to dry for 24 hours. After the wait, apply tile grout over the tile surface, making sure you get into all the areas between the tiles. With a clean cloth, wipe the surface area to remove excess tile grout from the tiles. There you have it. Happy tiling! Your DIY Tip of the Week was brought to you by Coastal Hire. For other great DIY tips, find us on social media. And for all your equipment hire needs, visit coastalhire.co.za or visit your nearest Coastal Hire store. Serving all your equipment hire needs nationwide. Go Coastal!